Hey guys, today we're going to set up a wireless 5.1 system using the VSSL SX Series. To get started, we're going to pair the soundbar first. We pair the SX bar first because that is kind of the brains of the entire system. The surround speakers and the subwoofers will pair directly to the soundbar, so we need to get that set up first. To get started, open the VSSL app. Once the VSSL app is opened and the soundbar is plugged in, you'll get a pop-up that shows an SX bar is ready to be set up. Click on Setup. Next, it'll ask you if you hear a tone coming from the soundbar. If you do, click Yes. Next, we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So you'll get a list of all your networks. Go ahead and pick which network you'd like to add it to. Enter the password and wait for it to pair. Once the soundbar connects to the network, it will automatically check for firmware updates. Once the soundbar is completely updated, it will ask you to change the name of the soundbar. For this example, we'll use living room. Next, you'll be prompted with a Google Cast agreement. Tap accept. Next, it will ask you to help improve Google Cast. You could either select yes, I'm in, or no thanks. Then you could click skip, and now your soundbar is set up. It will ask if you'd like to pair any SX devices to the soundbar. We'll skip that for now and set up both the left and right rear speakers. So we'll exit out of this. Next, you'll plug in one of your surround speakers. At this point, it doesn't matter if you set up the left surround or the right surround, but go ahead and plug in one of your SX speakers, and the app will scan for VSSL devices that need to be set up. And then from here, the setup process is very similar to the soundbar. It'll ask you if you hear the sound, click yes, and then we'll add this speaker to the network as well. So go ahead and click your network, make sure you set it up on the same network that you set up your soundbar on. Enter the password. After the speaker has been updated, it'll ask you to name the speaker. For this example, we will use living room right surround. Click next. Go through the Google Cast agreements again, and your product is set up. Once it is set up, you'll get a prompt if you would like to pair this product with another product. We'll go ahead and click SX Surround Living Room. Confirm that the product that you want to pair is blinking. Click next, and then it's just a matter of waiting for the SX bar to pair to the SX surround. After this is done, go ahead and plug in your next surround speaker and go through the same setup process. So now that we have the two surround speakers and the soundbar set up, it's time to add the subwoofer. So go ahead and plug in your subwoofer and go back to the VSSL app. The VSSL app should automatically scan for new devices. If not, there's a button at the top that says tap to scan for VSSL devices. Once the subwoofer is found, you could go ahead and click setup. After you click setup, you will select which SX products to pair the subwoofer with. For this example, we are going to add to the SX soundbar living room, and then we wait until the pairing is complete. After the pairing process is complete, you will get a pop-up for bass optimization. We highly suggest that you select yes to this. This will optimize your system and let the sub handle all of the bass. If you click no, it may lead to performance issues with the subwoofer. So go ahead and click yes. It'll finish the setup of our new SX sub, and once that's complete, you're ready to go.